Is it not working? What's up, Rainier? Seems like there's a problem. We might just go back to 4 o'clock. It's people can get on. I'll let you know in a second. Hello, Miss Furrow. Let's see if anyone can get on. There was a problem before. YouTube seemed to be down. So, what's up, Samantha? You guys are getting on. Obviously, you guys are getting on fine. Yeah, we'll give it another second. I told everyone to go at 4, but then they fixed the problem. So, I'm going to see if everyone can get on. What's up, Mia? What's up, Jaylene? Hello, hello. Beth. So we're ready for this. Though we're going on a 4. YouTube causing some hiccups in this. See if people are getting on. Try again. Morning been good. Woke up, did some surfing this morning. Gotta try to get out of the house for a little bit. It's good. How you guys doing? What's up, DeLacy? Tatiana, you made it. I wasn't gonna start without you, Tatiana, because I knew I never would hear the end of it. All right. What's up? Surfing, yes. Surfing, trying to get outside. No one's in the water, so I'm distant from everyone. What is up? Where's everyone? All right. All right, so this is going to be what we do today. Is going to be a 2-day lesson, so we do it today and tomorrow. It's a little more difficult. We're dealing with equations. So what I want you guys to do really quick is copy this down, and then this one starts super simple, and then I'll show you how it gets a little more challenging, all right? So let me just... Everyone's getting on Google Classroom, right? I'm on. What happened? I'm on. We got back? Yeah. So what are you going to do? You're live now? Yeah, we're live right now. Okay. Yeah. No live on the weekend, Rainier. You coming? Okay. Hey. All right. I'm here. All right. So, Google in Google Classroom, guys, I put in like that PDF where you can read of kind of how I'm gonna do day by day. So go on there, Google Classroom, look at that worksheet. I mean, that PDF I made up, and it tells you exactly what I'm doing day by day and what I use. I mostly use my site to get all the packets and stuff from there. But on Google site, what I might do is just assign a worksheet here and there. Maybe I'll do it after here. I'll put a worksheet up just so you guys can actually try it and send it back to me. Because with the site's great because it's easy to navigate and you can just easily get the packets and worksheets, but you can't send them back to me if you want to. So with the Google Classroom is some people have been sending them to me. You guys are taking your picture, which is fantastic. I'm getting them. So keep doing that and we should be good. All right, let's go. All right, so we got my two parallel lines cut by a transversal here, right? Now, here's the issue. You ready? Big issue here. Just like yesterday of how I put like just a regular angle measure and then I had like an expression, like right here is 3x. We did here 15 and then I just had x there. So x would be 15 if there was no 3 in front of it, right? Pretty simple. Now here comes the problem. I have a 3x and a 15. So you got to know your angle relationships. So we should know that this is alternate exterior angles. So you know that alternate exterior means what? Equal. And that's why I told you guys it is so important to know your angle relationships if they're equal or add up to give you 180 degrees. And today is exactly why I kept stressing that throughout this whole entire week. Because now look what happens. When you do 3x and 15, they're alternate exterior, you have to set them equal to each other. All right? So it's going to be 3x equals 15. All right? 3x equals 15. I set them equal because the angle relationship is alternate exterior. You set them equal. So whatever expression I have here, I set equal to here. Then you have to solve for x. So 3x equals 15. How do you solve for x? Divide both sides by 3. And what does x equal, guys? 5. Okay? Now, 5 is my answer for x. Okay, good job, Catherine. 5 is my answer for x. Now, if on a test it says just solve for x, right? They just want to measure for x, you're fine. But you might have to substitute it back into here for x to get the actual angle measure, all right? So you guys know how to substitute. We've been doing it for so long. So you replace x with 5. So 3 times 5 is really going to be 15, all right? So this angle measure is 15, as is this one. This one was pretty easy, guys, but that's how you're going to figure it out. All right, so let's get to some more difficult ones, all right? And we will get it rocking. Boom. Also, you guys liking my thumbnails? Taking a lot of time to make them. I think they're coming out pretty good. All right. 2x plus 19, x plus 23. So let's do 2x plus 19, x plus 23. All right. This is what we're getting to. Stuff like this. Now look at it. Tell me, I have what angle relationship here? Everyone should realize it's on the outside, so they're exterior angles. Very good. And what else? They're alternate exterior, just like before, okay? Just on different side of the transversal, okay? It's opposite this time. So since I have alternate exterior, right, is equal. So now to find your angle measure, good job, Rainier. The way you have to do this, guys, you set equal, all right? So whatever I have here is 2x plus 19, and I'm going to set it equal to x plus 23. Look what we just made ourselves. Multi-step equation. Now we're going back, I don't know, what was that, 3 units ago? Now you have to solve for x. Got to go through all your steps, guys. Sometimes the expression's right here. Multi-step. All right, here we go. Now, really quick, we got subtract x. That's minus 19. X equals 4. Okay? Hello, Christina. Hello, Diana. All right, so x is going to equal 4 here. How did I get that? I set them equal. Why did I set them equal? Because the angle relationship was alternate exterior. And now we have 2 expressions, so now that's why it looks like this. Keep waking up at 12, Alba. You'll get it. All right? You always say you're lost, but you're not. All right, so we're just doing basically what we did yesterday. Diana, the people just got here. But the only difference now is that instead of having a single angle measure or a single number, you're going to have expressions that you have to solve. So it's basically just doing exactly what we did yesterday, set it equal, add them together to equal 180, and just solving for x. So now, look, set them equal, and it's just an equation. All right? All right, let's go to the next one. Let's get into a couple of these for you guys, and then you guys can try some on your own. Today's kind of going to, I can already tell the stream isn't that good today. YouTube is all funky right now, so we'll do it again tomorrow, so no worries. X plus 3, 2x minus 61. So we have x plus 3. All right, say to yourself, what angle relationship do I have here? The relationship I have between x plus 3 and 2x minus 61, corresponding, all right? What's the deal with corresponding angles? Corresponding angles are equal, okay? Since corresponding angles are equal, you take x plus 3 and set it equal to 2x minus 61. Good, Diana. And then what do we do from here? What's up, Hyro? What do we do from here? We solve it, all right? Now, I'm going to go through this quick, the solving part, because this is review. Nothing new from yesterday, guys. You're just setting the expressions equal to or add up to 180. I'll do the add up to 180 in a second. So let me solve this for you quick. If you're doing it at home, awesome. Okay, oh, sorry, that cancels. Bring down to 3. 2x minus x is x minus 61. Add 61. Okay. Now, I was telling people before, if they just ask you for what's the value of x, bam, you got 64. But if they ask you for the specific angle measures, you just have to take the 64 and substitute it in for to here. So it's going to be 64 plus 3, which is 67 degrees. And then 2 times 64 minus 61. All right? So 2 times 64 is 128. All right? Minus 61. And that's going to be 66. Okay? Oh, sorry, 67. All right, there you go. So that's the way to figure out the exact angle measures. And you know they have to be the same here, guys. Like, if you got this easy angle measurement, which was 67, there's no real reason to substitute it back in here because you know corresponding angles are going to be the same. All right? How are we doing so far? Are you guys understanding this a little bit? Oh, 20x plus 5. Someone tell me. Oh. Yes, Christina loves it. Me too. Guys, what's the angle relationship between 20x plus 5 and 24x minus 1? Come on. What is it? Consecutive. Good job, Diana. And consecutive angles, how do you know they're consecutive? Interior consecutive. They're on the inside, same side as transversal. And since they're consecutive, you do not set them equal. No. What do consecutive angles do? This plus this expression. So 20x plus 5 plus 24x minus 1 equals 180. Knock it off, Tatiana. You're not bored. You're having fun. You're learning something new. You're excited. All right. Is everyone good with that? So they're consecutive. So that's how you write the expression. I added the two of them up and equal to 180. Now you just solve, guys. And when you solve here, now you got to go through your rules when it comes to equations. Combine like terms, all right, and solve for x. So 20x plus 24x is 44x. 5 minus 1 is what? Plus 4 equals 180. Okay. Next step, we're going to do what? You got to subtract 4 and then solve for x and then divide by x. So 180 minus 4. 44x equals 176. Divide both sides by 44 and you're going to get 4. Good. All right. If I ask you for specific angle measure, you take this, substitute it back into the equation. 20, replace x with 4. 20 times 4, 80 plus 5 is 85. If I now know, good, if I know this measure is 85, what's going to be this measure? If this is 85 now, by doing all this work and substituting in, you know that this measure has to be what? You guys are figuring it out. Anyone get it? What that's going to be? Good job. 85 plus 27 Vernier is not 180. Good job. These two angles add to give me 180 degrees. Good job. Not too bad, right? Guys, make sure you drop a like, drop a comment if you like the video. It really, helps me, motivate me to do more of this. So make sure you like and comment down below, all right? Let's do another one. We'll do one more, I guess. Yeah, we'll do one more. 2x and then 4x plus. What number is that? What happens if I have this? Guys, what's that angle relationship? Quick. What is it? Lost my pen cap. What's that? Good job, Diana. Supplementary. Very good. How do you know they're supplementary? Because they lie on the same line. Okay? And that's what I kind of do. I kind of make an arc around it. If they're on the same line like that, they're supplementary. Okay? Supplementary angles add up to equal 180 degrees. So that means that 2x plus 4x plus 20 should always give me 180. Solve for x. 6x plus 20 equals 180. All right. And then final steps. We're going to do 160 divided by 6. I'm going to get a decimal, my fault. X equals like 26.7. Okay. That's basically it. We'll do this again tomorrow because it was kind of YouTube was glitchy. I know some people couldn't get on. I really couldn't get on. That's why I kind of postponed it for a little bit, but I was able to get on, so I figured I'd just hop on quick. So we started with this. We'll do this again tomorrow. Make sure we got it. All right. And this is when it comes to parallel lines cut by a transversal, which is what we've been doing all week. This is as difficult as it's going to get. So if you kind of understood this a little bit and kind of catching, following along and getting the hang of it, you'll be fine. We'll do it again tomorrow. Easy, Tatiana. Got a couple things I want to say. All right. We will continue this tomorrow. Homework, page 10 in transversal packet. So in that 15-page packet, whatever he had, just do page 10 for me. All right. Now let's talk about people that are showing me that they're actually doing this work. Guys, some people have done it. If you do page 10, right, you did it on a separate sheet of paper. You actually printed it out. You did the work on the worksheet. I don't care which way, whatever way you're doing it. People have been sending me photos of it. How do you do that? It's on my Google site and on my Google Classroom of how to take a picture of a document and then forward it to me, to my email. Go check that out. Google Classroom, up and running. Do I use it that much? I don't know. Maybe I'll use it a little bit. Probably not that much. I think there's YouTube channel, and I think my site has everything. The reason why I do like Google Classroom is because you guys can send me stuff, right? I can check the work. So what if we don't show you? If you can, that'd be awesome. I know it's a little difficult to. So I also said, it's on my site, Rainier. It's number 1 under angles, that packet. If you don't show me, like I said in that, if you go on my Google Classroom, the next post is like how I explain what I want, how I want this to run. You need to keep everything. Notes you take here, worksheets that you do, extra work that you did on the side. Keep everything in a folder for my class. Bring it to me when we go back to school because I want to make sure that you guys all get credit for this. The people that are here every day, I have a spreadsheet, and I just check your name off that you were here, right? Because you guys will be getting all of these points that you deserve for actually sticking with this, all right? So make sure you like the video, throw a comment down. In my description of this video, in every video moving forward, I'll have a link to my Google site, which will have my Google Classroom codes. Yeah, Diana, if you can, show me, all right? So I can see if you need help, I can correct it and send it back to you, okay? So if you can show me the work, guys, do it, all right? Why not? If you're doing the work, just take the photo, send it to me. Diana, I saw your stuff. Mia, awesome job. Christina, all you guys. Tatiana. Yeah, go, guys, keep spreading the word about this. I want 200 subs by the end of the weekend. Let's make that happen. We're at 165, 166. I want 200 subs by the end of the weekend. Like, comment, pass the information along to your friends. Come check out, have some fun with Mr. Cornell. This is the Math Fam. One love to my subscribers out there, to you guys. And that's it. We signing out. One love. Peace.